1. Check the ingredients list below and go shopping. Health food stores are most likely your best source for the ingredients. 2. Place the sunflower oil into a glass or ceramic bowl. Metallic bowls may react with some of the ingredients. 3. Add all the essential oils and blend well. It's that easy. Now you have the massage oil. 4. Find a place in your home where your dog feels comfortable. Your dog will be a little greasy after the massage, so make sure you are happy that the area is adequately protected from possible marks or stains. 5. Commence the massage with Fido. Gently massage the oil mixture into your dog's coat, using your fingertips. 6. Make sure that you massage all around the dog, even under its legs, ears and tail, as you want to avoid fleas finding an island of safety. 7. Make sure also that your dog is enjoying the experience. He should not be whining. Generally dogs love a massage. It is both extreme attention from their beloved owner and it is comforting. 8. At the end of the massage, your dog may be a little greasy but will smell delicious to you and not to the fleas. 9. You will need to repeat this massage at least every 2 days for about a week until you can see the fleas decreasing. 10. Make sure that the massage is part of a concerted effort at eliminating the fleas, including washing the dog's bedding, mopping floor areas daily and vacuuming. Empty the bag or contents into the garbage bin immediately after to remove the fleas from your house.